welcome to Princess Fun Place. Today, we're going to play with these new Moana toys. I'm so excited. She's my new favorite princess. So in this video, it is going to be Maui's birthday. And Moana can't find Maui. So, somebody's going to help her to find the way. So let's open the toys. So here are the toys out of the box. I'm so jealous because they are so beautiful. I'm so glad that I have them. And we have two Moanas. So we're going to pretend that this one is Moana's sister, Luana. And this is Maui. Look what he can do. If you press this,
not see that coming.
He can make lots of different, he can say something different, and when you twist his body like this, that's all he can say with it. So here's the boat. It's totally big, really big. And here's Pua, and here is Hey Hey. He's really weird in the story. So let's start playing the story. Moana and her sister Luana are journeying beyond the reef to find Maui because it's his birthday and they want to celebrate, and they brought some coconut cake for him. Moana, do you know the way to Maui? Well, it's been a long time since I sailed, Luana. I can't remember the way. What if we get lost? Don't worry, I'll ask the ocean. Ocean, do you know where it's Maui? No respond. That's kind of weird. What if we get lost? What if we never find Maui? That's okay. We'll find some help. Look, Grandma. Let's follow her. And they sail to Maui. So Moana and Luana came to Maui's island. They were so happy not to get lost. Pua was the most excited. He jumped out of the boat. Hi, Maui. We're so glad that we found you. You're here to say thank you. No, we're here to celebrate your birthday. Oh, yes, that's the cake. Hey, leave the cake alone. We bought you a cake. It's a coconut cake. Happy birthday, Maui. Oh, I love this cake. My favorite flavor, coconut. Oh, Maui, do you know it's your birthday? Yes, because the gods have given me this little pony. It's actually big, not little. But that's a cool pony you got from the gods. Oh, yes, they worked so hard on trying to find it. Till they found it on the crab. I thought the crab was gone. Well, he stayed there for one more day. Oh, that's weird. Maui, can we paint your beautiful pony? Of course you can. But I tried to ride him this morning when I got him, but he didn't let me. He's not practical, by the way. Oh, I think all you need to do is be gentle. I was trying to be gentle. Good boy. a good girl. Good pony. Thank you for letting me ride you. Maui, she let me ride on her. Oh, I hope it was fun. Oh, it was fun. I think you should be a little bit more gentle. Oh, I think I'm too heavy. Oh, Maui. Hey, Maui, can you show my sister how you can change shapes? Well, of course I can. Give me a second. Oh, Maui, that's amazing. Oh, anything that amazes you, I can do it. Uh-oh. Okay, I need to turn back into Maui.
Let me show you how it's really done.
Wow, Maui. Oh, no. I'm hey again. Look. Ah! Oh, I need to turn back into Maui. Wow, Maui, you can really change into anyone. Oh, anything that amazes you.
Do you know who Maui is?
Yeah?
Only the greatest demigod in all the South Pacific. With his magical fish hook, he slowed down the sun, battled monsters, and I should know, 'cause I'm Maui. Whew, tough crowd.
You showed us your magic, so we're going to show you our song. Music calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. I'm starting to see it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. Yay! That was a beautiful song. I loved it. Now let's eat the cake. Maui, we thought you were going to leave some for us. Oh, sorry. You know I love sweets. I thought it was all for myself. Oh, Maui. As long as you enjoy it, it makes us happy. Well, Maui, we had a great time seeing you today, especially my sister, because she's been bragging to see you every year, all the time. And she is very happy that she got to see you, but we have to go now. Seriously? Oh yes, I have my pony friend. I can pet. Remember to be gentle. Bye, Maui. Bye, Moana. Bye, Maui. Bye, Moana. Moana, is it okay if I sail now? Of course it is. Thank you. Bye again. Oh, thank you for coming to my birthday party. Oh, don't forget the piggy. Thank you, Maui. Hey. Thank you. Ah! This is better. I might fall into the water. I'm not going to go on here. What if they break? Oh, Pua, they aren't unless you're too heavy. And thank you for the cake. It was delicious. And have a great sail. Okay, Maui. Bye. Am I good at sailing? A little bit rough, but it's okay. You're good at it. Hey. Boop. 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 all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, everybody. Bye. I hope you liked this video. I loved it because Maui, he was so amazing. You know, he thought that the cake was all for himself. That was really funny. And then I love Moana and the other Moana that I called Luana. She was really great in this story. Bye.